That's why I'm fucking protecting her. Like, might be like 60 or some shit.
I thought that this was recent. I thought that like this just happened.
Nah, bro, you see the date.
Yeah.
That's why I'm confused. You see the date, bro.
That's why he wanted to be in the room with the lady, because he know he could extort her, put the pressure on her, which is crazy.
Intimidate.
Exactly, he could intimidate her, and that's not fair to her. She put all her time and effort into that interview.
The fact is that she reached out to the right person to protect her.
Somebody preferred Wack to her, and he got in the middle of that, so he ain't gonna let that happen.
And when she decided she didn't want to talk to him, she wanted to keep it with Wack, then that's when he went and put the dog whistle out, made the video. Was the video recent?
Exactly.
Yeah, he just did that.
Exactly.
So he just did that, something that happened a while ago.
Yeah, shit like
That's wow.
I think he was responding to what he heard on Clubhouse, though.
Yeah. Probably to what someone told him.
It's cause people be on this gaslighting and trying to get Wack hype.
No, but he can't get mad at something somebody else said on somebody else's stage if it was not Wack. Like,
I agree.
I listened to the video. It was nothing derogatory. It was just speaking about the situation. So I don't get like what's the real problem. But I'm about to post it right now.
He signed it. He read it and signed the thing. How can you get mad?
Do it not spell out the duration of the clips?
Yeah.
What should it be used for all of it?
Let me break down just the points before I put up. It's the grant of license, the licensor representations and warranties, the limited license, the consent and release, the music license, the copies of the licensor, the reservation of rights, the credits, the representation of warranties, the termination of license, like everything is all there. I'm gonna put it up here so y'all can read it because like I don't have my glasses on.
Anyway, he didn't read the contract. He just signed it and did.
Can he just?
It's evident because after the fact, the nigga said, "Yo, I know it's more than this, nigga. You just signed the contract for what you was receiving."
So he thought that he was gonna get. So he thought that he was gonna get the whole.
No. Hold on. He said in the text. No, wait, y'all. He said in the text. Wack said in the text that it was clips before him. He knew it was clips. That's why he asked for more.
Can he buy them?
Contract says it's clips.
Yeah, he wanted more clips, but if he didn't like the contract, he should have just renegotiated it.
But see, it's nothing to negotiate because I made it happen for free and covered the attorney costs and the edit costs out my fucking pocket. The lady didn't have to give up shit. I had to go in there and, have that conversation.
Why can't he buy them?
Because she didn't want to deal with him.
Because he wanted to give her 20